Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonder Garden channel, to make your garden increasingly lush with vibrant blooming flowers. Today, I will share with you an extremely simple, yet highly effective tip, using just 1 tablespoon. This nutrient not only helps orchids bloom brilliantly, but can also be applied to almost all types of houseplants. Whether you are tending to anthuriums, lilies, or even resilient plants like snake plants or money plants, this formula today will work gently yet persistently. This method may seem a bit unusual, but with 1 tablespoon, you can obtain a highly nutritious fertilizer rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. When applying this formula, you will see your plants recover faster, develop strong roots, sprout evenly, and especially bloom more beautifully than ever. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. To make the fertilizer today, you only need to prepare 1 very simple ingredient, and that is oats. You may be familiar with using oats for healthy breakfasts, but few know that this grain is also an excellent source of nutrition for plants. Oats contain many B vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, iron, and zinc, elements that stimulate root growth, promote the development of young shoots, and naturally help weak plants recover. In particular, when processed correctly, oats can create an environment that nurtures beneficial microorganisms in the soil, helping plants absorb nutrients better, maintain stable moisture, and prevent root rot. Next, we will put 1 tablespoon of oats into a blender or food processor. This way, all the nutrients will be released much faster. When the oats turn into powder, they truly become a treasure for all types of soil and growing mediums. As I mentioned, oats are rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium, micronutrients and macronutrients that help plants and vegetables grow healthily. Moreover, they improve soil structure because many microorganisms will feed on the oats. Their pH is mild and neutral, suitable for all types of plants. Therefore, it won't cause any imbalance in your soil. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Now, we will put all of this oat powder into a clean glass jar. Then, add about 500 milliliters of clean water. This will help fully release the nutrients from the oats into the water. Close the lid and let it soak for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will proceed to filter out the residue. To ensure the plants absorb it best without being shocked, diluting is extremely important. I usually mix this solution with 2 liters of clean water. This helps reduce the concentration, making the solution gentler and allowing the plant roots to easily absorb the valuable nutrients from the oats. Finally, from just 1 tablespoon of oats, we obtain a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer solution. Amazing, isn't it? Step 1. To prepare the plants before fertilizing, remember to water them thoroughly with clean water first. This will help the soil become evenly moist and create the best conditions for the plants to absorb nutrients later. Do you wonder why you need to water the plants before applying organic fertilizer? Watering the plants with clean water before fertilizing, especially with liquid organic fertilizer, brings many practical benefits. Helps the soil become evenly moist and loose. When the soil is moist, water and nutrients from the fertilizer can easily penetrate deep and spread evenly throughout the soil layer, reaching the entire root system of the plant. If the soil is dry, the fertilizer may only stay on the surface, not fully absorbed by the roots, leading to waste. Prevents shock to the roots. Fertilizers, whether organic or inorganic, may contain a certain concentration of salts. When applied to dry soil, this concentration can spike around the roots, causing root burn or fertilizer shock, which can damage or even kill the plant. Water acts as a solvent. It helps dissolve the nutrients in the fertilizer. Plants can only absorb nutrients in a dissolved form through their root hairs. Therefore, when the soil is sufficiently moist, this absorption process happens much more smoothly and effectively. After watering the plants, don't rush to apply the fertilizer right away. Let the plants rest for a bit, about 10 minutes. Step 2. First, I will dip a soft cotton pad into the diluted oat solution and gently wipe each leaf of the plant. Wiping the leaves not only helps clean accumulated dust and bacteria on the leaf surface, but is also an excellent way to provide nutrients directly through the epidermis, the area where the plant absorbs nutrients most quickly after the roots. Oats contain a wealth of essential nutrients. Nitrogen promotes the formation of chlorophyll, making the leaves greener, glossier, and full of vitality. When wiped with a solution containing nitrogen, the leaves will gradually become thicker and improve their photosynthesis ability. Phosphorus enhances metabolic processes within the leaf cells, supporting the plant in forming new tissues. This is crucial for plants recovering from weakness or pest damage, helping them regenerate faster. Potassium increases resistance, making the leaves sturdier and less susceptible to fungi or bacteria. Potassium also helps balance water levels within the leaves, preventing yellowing or drying at the edges. Calcium strengthens cell walls, making the plant healthier from the inside. When wiping leaves with a calcium-containing solution, you're supporting the plant's natural defense system against environmental stressors. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Additionally, oats contain trace elements like iron, zinc, and manganese, all of which play important roles in enzyme synthesis and maintaining the vibrant green color of the leaves. What's special is that the neutral pH of oats makes this solution very gentle, suitable for all types of plants in your garden, even the most sensitive ones like orchids, anthuriums, or violets. When you regularly wipe the leaves weekly, you'll gradually notice the leaves becoming glossier, greener, and full of vitality. Step 3. After 10 minutes, carefully pour all of our diluted oat solution into a dedicated watering can. Now, water this solution directly at the base of the plant. This is the gateway for the valuable nutrients from the oats to be maximally absorbed by the plant's root system. Oats bring a wealth of benefits such as proteins, B vitamins, and trace minerals, all of which will be delivered straight to the plant's core system, promoting robust growth from deep within, from roots to stems and leaves. Ensure the solution soaks evenly into the soil around the base, so that every part of the root system can access this wonderful nutrient source. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. One of the greatest advantages of using organic fertilizer, like this oat solution, is its versatile applicability to any type of plant in your garden. Whether you're caring for ornamental plants, fruit trees, or even delicate flowers, organic fertilizer is an ideal choice. Since it's made from natural plant or animal-based ingredients, it's gentle, environmentally friendly, and completely safe for the roots and the entire plant. You don't have to worry about the plant experiencing fertilizer shock or accumulating harmful chemicals, as can happen with chemical fertilizers. Step 4. With the remaining oat solution, instead of discarding it, I'll pour it into a misting spray bottle. This is a fantastic way to provide nutrition and protection to all the other plants in your garden. Spray the mist evenly across the foliage of all types of plants. This not only supplies a gentle dose of micronutrients through the leaf surface, supporting photosynthesis, but also creates a natural protective layer, making the leaves lusher and enhancing their resilience against environmental stressors. This diluted oat solution is extremely gentle and safe for all types of plants, from fruit trees and ornamentals to vegetables. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. This way, not a single drop of nutrients goes to waste, and all the plants in your garden benefit. This is how we optimize organic fertilizer and bring vibrant life to the entire garden. After watering the roots and misting the leaves with the oat solution, remember to move the plant to a cool, shaded area or a spot with indirect light. Keep the plant in this location for a few hours, or ideally until the leaves are completely dry and the soil has stabilized. After that, you can return the plant to its usual spot. Results. After consistently applying this oat-based organic fertilizer and care method, you'll notice remarkable positive changes in your plants. The leaves will become lusher, thicker, and glossier. Old leaves may regain vitality, while new leaves will grow vigorously, with less yellowing or lack of vigor. You'll see new shoots emerging more robustly and young buds developing quickly, signaling the plant's vibrant vitality. This is especially noticeable in plants in their growth phase or after pruning. The root system will also develop significantly. Healthy roots are the foundation of a healthy plant, enabling it to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently and better withstand pests and harsh conditions. Most importantly, your plants will have stronger natural resistance, becoming less susceptible to pests and diseases and recovering more quickly from environmental stressors. All of this is clear evidence of the effectiveness of caring for plants with natural, safe, and sustainable organic nutrients. You'll surely be delighted with the results you achieve. What do you think about this plant care method? Leave a comment so everyone around the world can know. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any plant care tips. See you in the next videos.